Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you what we encountered whilst growing our seedlings. Some of our seedlings they were stretching out, some of them look leggy, so I'm going to show you how to fix that using the natural sunlight.
Did you like the pressure phone? I don't know what's outside that. I like the pressure phone.
Zara, the plant is falling because they don't get enough sunlight. So one part of the window is getting sunlight, so that's why the plant is falling this way or is stretching. So in order to fix it, we're gonna bring it outside. In order to fix it, giving it 1 to 2 hours of sun. Okay. Okay, Sejan, Zara. So once the seedlings don't get strong or direct light, they try to find it.
Trying to find the sun.
Exactly, they're trying to find the sun or they're stretching for it. But while they're stretching for it, they're being leggy, so that's making them weak instead of being strong. Alright? Alright, Sejan, Zara, so we move our seedlings outside to get some real outdoor sunlight. It's more stronger than the window light. We're gonna be giving it 1 to 2 hours of morning light, and then we're gonna be increasing it each day. Alright, in order to harden it a little bit, okay?
Okay, so for them to get little by little.
Yes, Seja, for them to get stronger little by little. That's called hardening it. So harden means to strengthen it or to make the stem stronger, okay, or bigger. Alright? Okay, Sejan, Zara, so we're gonna take our leggy plants and then we're gonna be transplanting them into this cup. We're gonna transplant them to make this. We're gonna bury the skinny stem to the first leaf, okay?
Okay, from the weak part to get covered.
Yeah, so the weak part can get covered, and that's gonna, so it can create new roots, okay? You got it?
What was sound, Dad?
Yes, hopefully when we transplant it and we put it in the sun, like 1 to 2 hours, and then we increase it, hopefully it will get stronger and it should help.
Oh, I hope it's help.
It will. Let me see that.
Now we don't have no more sand.
Yes, I have some in a bag.
Just in the bag?
Yes, I will mix it. I just mix it just right enough. Okay, so you see we bury it until we get to the first leaf, just like this one. Okay, Sejan, Zara, so now we transplanted our seedlings into the cups. Now the wind is gonna help the stem grow thicker. So we're gonna water it. Just give it, what do you say?
Thick?
Yeah, thicker, like big.
Like this big?
Yes, like big like you.
Oh, like this big.
Big. Okay.
Don't make it like this big.
Yes, baby, it's gonna grow big like you. You wanna grow big too?
It's gonna grow big like you.
Yeah, it's gonna grow big like me.
It's gonna grow bigger in your head.
Yeah. Okay, so like I said, the wind gonna help the stem grow thicker or bigger. We're just gonna give it some water just to help it settle in. We're not gonna give it too much water, just a little water at the top, so we're gonna let it dry out first, okay? So go ahead and spread, Zara.
Spread. I'm too close.
Okay, do this. Okay, Sejan, Zara, so now we water the plants. Now we're gonna check on them to see if they recover after the transplanting, and we're gonna leave them in the direct sunlight instead of the window light, okay?
Okay.
Alright, you ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Here's what they look like before.
Okay, Sejan Zara, this is the 7-day recovery from the transplant that we did. They have thicker stem and they have stronger growth right now.
Dad, they look stronger. Yeah.
Yes, they look stronger because natural sunlight make a difference. Okay?
Okay.
You see the stem, how they look strong, they look broader, and they look a little bigger. You can see them?
Yeah.
Even the tomatoes look a little bigger. You see how it comes thinner and bigger, broader?
Yeah.
And you can see the new leaves coming on there as well.
It's the tomatoes growing through it and it's red.
Yeah, it's going big, yeah. Okay, girls, Leggy doesn't mean loss. We are just give them what they need and they will respond, okay?
Okay.
All right, you got any questions?
No.
You understand what's going on there? Like we have to transplant them, everything? You notice the difference before and then the after? You notice the difference? They get bigger, and the last time they were smaller.
Yeah, like this.
Okay, guys, gardening isn't about perfection. It's about learning and adjusting.
We saved them. I saved them.
Yes, you'll save them. If this video helped you, subscribe if you want to learn more along the way.
See you in the next time, guys.
Hi.